Okay, so what I'm going to show today is how you can fix your game Monster Hunter Wilds not launching or not opening. Okay, now this actually is happening to a lot of you, and I'm going to show you a couple of these that actually work for me. All right, now the first step that you can do is very easy, and it's just to restore Steam. Okay, so you can just exit Steam and run it as an administrator. Okay, that's something that you can do. You can also restore your PC and see if the problem helps, okay? And that's actually been helpful to a lot of you. Now, some other stuff that you can do that's going to be very important is you can run your game as an administrator, okay? And to do so, you need to go to your library and you need to right click in your game in Monster Hunter Wilds. And now you need to go to manage and you need to go to browse local files. Okay, now you want to go to this file, which is the main file for the game, Monster Hunter Wilds. Now you want to right click and you want to go on show more options and you want to go in properties and you want to go in compatibility. And here you want to click on run this program as an administrator. Okay, and this is going to make sure actually that you have all necessary permissions to run this program and that Windows doesn't recognize this as an external or as a virus. Okay, just click on apply and check on OK. All right. Something that you might also do is you might go to your Windows Defenders, which is around here, and you can temporarily disable your Windows real-time protection while you play this game. So you can right-click, and you can go to your security dashboard, okay? And now you can go to your virus and threat protection, and you can click on Manage Settings, and then you can disable real-time protection, okay? And all of these steps should work, okay? So that's it. Thank you so much.